Once upon a time, in a land far away, there was a padre who had two sons named Stefan and Napoleon. And they drank hot Kool-Aid every day.
Good morning. Good. Is it hot?
Maybe not.
Yes or no? I am sick and tired of this hot Kool-Aid.
What's the matter?
It burns my mouth. I want my college money. No!
I'll make this for you!
No!
So, the younger son, Stefan went off with his college fund, and he bought all the cool Kool-Aid he wanted, and he had cool friends. Meanwhile, back at Padre's house, Napoleon was having a deep conversation with his friend Pedro.
I'm mad right now. What happened? Stupid brother just took all his college money and is drinking cold Kool-Aid with ice. And he's just so stubborn. Why is this happening?
Don't you get to drink hot Kool-Aid with your father?
It's not the same. I can't do this anymore.
Meanwhile, Stefan had drank all his cold Kool-Aid and spent his entire college fund. Now, the only company he had was a magical pony. The spirit of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr.
Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. I feel really bad. I spent all my college money on cold Kool-Aid with ice. Do you think I should go back? Are you sure about that?
So Stefan started the long journey home. Da, 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 da,
My son!
da, 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 da.
Padre, where's brother?
Right here.
Brother! How's it going, buddy?
Can't believe. You left the house and you were drinking cold Kool-Aid.
I'm drinking hot Kool-Aid now.
No!
Why
I
not?
don't want you to. Not the same. You just can't do it.
I'll drink it now if you want.
No! Go.
No, you leave.
I don't want to party with these people.
It's not. No! It's gonna collapse.
That was like a heart attack.
What is the matter? Why are you not happy? Your brother is back.
Because he just left the house, took all of his college money, and he's drinking cold Kool-Aid.
What matters is that he is back and he is sorry for his bad deeds.
What about